Otto, while everyone is fighting over the same 5 AI side hustles you see in every YouTube video, there are 5 completely different AI side hustles that almost nobody is talking about. I tried all 5 myself, and in the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what they are, what I earned from each one, and how you can start today. Welcome to Wealth Flip, where we show you real ways to make real money online. Today, I'm revealing 5 AI side hustles that are completely underrated right now in 2026, and exactly how much each one paid me. And side hustle number 5 is the one that surprised me the most. It took the least effort and paid the most. So stay until the end because that one alone could change your entire approach to making money online. Side hustle number 1, AI resume writing. Everyone talks about AI for content writing, but almost nobody talks about resumes. Here's why this works so well. Job seekers in the USA and UK pay good money to stand out, and most resumes are terrible. Here's exactly what I did. I created a simple Fiverr gig offering AI optimized resumes using ChatGPT. I priced it at $35 per resume. Within 2 days, I had 4 orders. I used ChatGPT to restructure each resume professionally, ran it through a free ATS checker tool, and delivered within 24 hours. Total from AI resume writing, $145 in 3 days, and the demand never stops. People are always job hunting. $145 from resumes most people never think about. Side hustle number 2 is even more ignored, and it pays surprisingly well for something this simple. Side hustle number 2, AI podcast show notes. There are millions of podcasters who record episodes but hate writing the description, timestamps, and summary afterward. This is the perfect AI side hustle because it's repetitive work that AI handles easily. Here's what I did. I found 3 small podcasters on Reddit who manage their own shows. I offered to write their show notes using ChatGPT, feeding it the episode transcript, and getting back a polished summary with timestamps and key quotes. I charged $70 per episode. Got 3 podcasters to say yes for ongoing work. First batch of episodes, $210. And because podcasters release weekly episodes, this becomes recurring income automatically. $210 and recurring. Side hustle number 3 is the one nobody expects because it's not even about writing or design. It's about something completely different. Side hustle number 3, AI data cleaning for small businesses. Every small business has messy spreadsheets, duplicate customer entries, inconsistent formatting, missing information. AI tools like ChatGPT can clean and organize this data in minutes instead of hours. Here's exactly what I did. I posted in a small business Facebook group offering data cleanup services. A local business owner had a customer list of 2,000 entries full of duplicates and errors. I used ChatGPT combined with Excel formulas to clean the entire list in under an hour. Charged $165 for the job. The business owner was so happy he referred me to 2 other business owners the same week. This is one of the most underrated AI side hustles because almost no competition exists for it yet. $165 from cleaning spreadsheets most people never think about. Side hustle number 4 combines 2 AI tools together, and the combination is what makes it so powerful. Side hustle number 4, AI presentation design. Businesses constantly need PowerPoint and Canva presentations for pitches, training, and sales meetings. Most people charge for this manually. But combining ChatGPT for content with Canva AI for design makes this incredibly fast. Here's what I did. I offered a complete presentation package, 15 slides, professionally designed, content written with ChatGPT, and visuals created with Canva AI, priced at $115 per presentation. Got 2 clients in 1 week from a single LinkedIn post. Delivered both presentations in under 4 hours total using the AI combo. Total died of $230. And clients keep coming back for future presentations because the quality is consistently professional. $230 from presentations, and now side hustle number 5, the one I promised would surprise you, the one that took the least effort and paid the most. Side hustle number 5, AI audiobook narration using ElevenLabs. This is by far the most ignored AI side hustle right now. Self-published authors need audiobook versions of their books but cannot afford expensive professional narrators. Here's exactly what I did. I found 2 self-published authors on Reddit who mentioned wanting audiobook versions but felt the cost was too high. I offered to create their audiobook using ElevenLabs AI voice technology at a fraction of the normal cost. I charged $150 for a short 20,000 word book and $160 for a slightly longer one. Used ElevenLabs to generate the narration, did minor editing for pacing, and delivered both within 2 days. Total from audiobook narration, $310. Time spent, about 5 hours total, including editing. This was the highest paying side hustle on this list and required the least manual work because ElevenLabs did 90% of the heavy lifting. Here's the full breakdown of all 5 ignored AI side hustles. AI resume writing, $145. AI podcast show notes, $210 recurring. AI data cleaning, $165. AI presentation design, $230. AI audiobook narration, $310. Total, $1,060 from 5 side hustles that almost nobody else is doing right now. While everyone fights over the same overcrowded AI writing gigs, these 5 ignored opportunities have far less competition and pay just as well, sometimes even better. Now, let's talk about what this looks like over a full month, not just one trial run. If you repeat these same 5 side hustles consistently for 30 days, here's a realistic projection. AI resume writing, 4 orders per week at $35. That's $560 a month. AI podcast show notes, 3 recurring clients at $70 per episode weekly. That's $840 a month. AI data cleaning, 2 new clients per week at $165 average. That's $1,320 a month. Overcrowded AI presentation design, 2 clients per week at $115. That's $920 a month. AI audiobook narration, 2 books per month at $150 average. That's $300 a month. Added it all together. Resume writing $560, podcast notes $840, data cleaning $1,320, presentations $920, audiobooks $300. Total realistic monthly income from these 5 ignored AI side hustles, $3,940 a month. And remember, this is working part-time, a few hours a day with almost zero competition because everyone else is chasing the same overcrowded AI writing gigs. You don't need all 5 to hit big numbers. Even picking just 2 of these and doing them consistently could realistically replace a full-time income within a few months. Subscribe to Wealth Flip right now because I drop a brand new money-making video every single day. And comment which one of these 5 you're trying first. I read every single comment. See you in the next video.